PWA, adding your Teams SA Gov account as a desktop app. From your desktop, open up Edge as a browser and navigate to office.com. Make sure you sign in with your sa.gov.au account. If it brings up your school account, click Sign in with another account and use another account. Here enter in your @sa.gov.au email address and click Next. Put in your password and click Sign in. Again, make sure you select your SA Gov email if it asks you about profiles. You can check you're in the right version of Teams if you go up to the top and see Government of South Australia. Now open up Teams, and once this is loaded, you'll see the teams that you belong to from your SA Gov tenancy rather than your @schools email. Again, if you're not sure, you can go to the 3 dots next to your profile, go to Settings, and then check in Accounts. Here you can see it's my sa.gov.au email. I now want to go to those 3 dots in Edge, go to App, and install this site as a web app. Here I'm going to change the name to SA Gov, so that I know that this is my SA Gov team rather than my @schools team, and click Install. It will now give me some options, so I can pin to taskbar, pin to start, create a desktop shortcut, or auto start and device login. I'm going to click to create a desktop shortcut as well. So here is my desktop shortcut, and you can see I've got 2 versions of Teams pinned to my taskbar. The second one is my @sa.gov account, and you can see when this is opened, I've got my Teams there. I don't need to log in again, and I can access them just like I would through the browser and go into chat, etc.